Assalamu alaikum. Have you always wanted to come for Umrah but worried about the cost because it's far beyond what you could afford? We all know how much agents charge, and sometimes these can be extortionate, especially when going with a family. But I've got some good news for you. Nowadays it's very, very affordable to go, as long as you construct the package yourself, what we call a DIY Umrah package. However, there are a few steps you must follow. There are a few essential steps, and also some key things you must do in order to get those best prices possible. That's from booking hotels, booking flights, and navigating your way through the Nusuk Gap. Those are just a few things that I've outlined here, but we've put together a course to go through all the step-by-step things you need to know to get your DIY package going, and to slash the price by over a half, in order to visit the beautiful house which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala given to us, which is one of the Haramain, Makkah and Madinah, Masjid al-Haram. So if you'd like the opportunity to come over here and perform Umrah like I've done, and do your own Umrah package, please do enroll in our course and find out how you can achieve this by going and step by step do all the steps that you need to do by video platform, which makes it even easier to achieve this goal. Take care, and hopefully see you on the other side. Assalamu alaikum.